In an era dominated by technological advancements, the invisible waves that enable our digital communications carry unintended consequences: electromagnetic, EM pollution. This blog revisits the notion of cell phone radiation as a form of entropic waste, framed within the innovative Genesis framework, to explore entropy not just as a physical phenomenon, but as an informational and environmental disruptor. Cell phones are indispensable for modern communication, yet emit radio frequency, RF, radiation, a byproduct of their functionality. When analyzed through the dual lenses of thermodynamics and information theory, this radiation represents a dispersion of energy that becomes a pollutant upon release into the environment, contributing to what is often termed electromagnetic smog. Energy dispersion. The RF waves from cell phones spread energy into the environment, similar to exhaust from a car engine. Environmental impact. This dispersed energy contributes to ambient electromagnetic fields, impacting the electromagnetic balance crucial for various ecological and biological processes. From an informational standpoint, the widespread and uncontrolled emission of RF signals increases entropy within the environment, cluttering it with signals that can interfere with biological and communication systems. This informational disorder disrupts the natural electromagnetic fields that living organisms, including humans, have evolved to harmonize with. According to the Genesis framework, life is characterized as an entropic anomaly, finely attuned to natural entropic processes, including gravity and the electromagnetic fields that orchestrate biological rhythms and genetic expressions. The disruption caused by EM pollution, entropic waste from cell phones, introduces what can be termed entropic shocks to these living entropic information systems, absorbing into living organisms and statistically offering no benefits. Instead, man-made entropic waste disrupts life's delicate bioelectric fields that are crucial for memory structuring and the anatomical integrity dictated by DNA and RNA. Health concerns are growing as the absorption of entropic waste by living systems can lead to a disruption of biological functions. Emerging research is linking prolonged RF radiation exposure to health issues, from sleep disturbances to cancer. On the technological front, there is an urgent need to develop RF-safe technology that minimizes electromagnetic emissions, thereby reducing the entropic footprint of our digital activities. From a regulatory perspective, despite existing regulations, the standards for RF emissions are based on outdated understandings and require urgent updates to address the evolving landscape of scientific knowledge and technological development. Moreover, the halt in research by agencies like the NTP on the impacts of RF radiation is concerning. There is a pressing need for independent studies to understand how this entropic waste influences life at a cellular level and across ecosystems. Viewing cell phone radiation as a form of entropic waste invites us to reconsider the broader impacts of our ubiquitous technologies. It's crucial to balance the advances in communication with sustainable practices that minimize the entropic effects on the environment and human health. This perspective not only calls for caution, but also for proactive engagement in reducing electromagnetic pollution. We encourage readers to reflect on their daily technology uses' electromagnetic footprint and support research and initiatives aimed at mitigating EM pollution. By understanding and addressing the entropic impacts of our devices, we can achieve a harmonious balance where technology serves our needs without compromising our health or environmental integrity.